Hi guys, it's my first vid, and I thought I'd make it cool by opening a little surprise squishy thing, just little. Let me go grab it. Little. Here it is. I'm kidding, that one's already opened. Here it is. It's pretty little, right? From your view, it probably is. But for mine, let's take a look. It's big. Now, if you want me to do more videos like this, just let me know. Let's open this thing. Dittos. Check it out. We have popcorn. Something. I know this one's popcorn because if you look closely, it says popcorn. Popcorn. Should we open it? Yes, no. I take that as a yes. Let's open this. Squishy-tastic. Did I left something in it? I doubt it. Oh. Okay, so this is what it... Oh, they wanted it... Ah! They wanted to come out. They feel very smooth. Okay. Let's start with the accessories. Then we'll go to charms and then squishies. So, here's an accessory. It's called Milkshake. And then when you open it, inside you have the lid, the milkshake lid, you know. And then inside you have three things like this. Red, green, red. You could see, and then you just have like the cup, you know. You can put them back in there. You can put anything in here. You could put like a squishy and stuff, but like, yeah, that's that. And then we have another one of those things, but it's empty. This one is see-through. You can see me. Voila, you can see me. But this one, you can also take the lid off. You can store anything you want in there. Completely empty. Next we have tomato ketchup. It's a big bottle. When you open it, empty. I'm pretty sure you were supposed to open these. I think you're supposed to like put these charm things in there, you know? But I don't know. Just gonna go with Then we have, oh, by the way, this is the movie kit, like the theater. We have 3D glasses. For these two, movie theater. Then we have a 3D poster. It's 3D. Now let's go to the charms. We have this cute pretzel charm, and they're mini squishies. Some of you might not believe me, but if you are me, you would know, because you can here, let me see if I can get it to where you guys can see. It's a squishy texture thing, you know. They're little charms, but then they're also squishies. Licorice. Licorice is pretty cool. I mean, it's one of my favorites. Just one. Squishy too. This is my favorite. It's popcorn because I love popcorn. Although I don't know if it's a squishy or not. I just love popcorn. Oh wow, and it's a slow rise one. I love slow rising ones. They're so cool. Yep, popcorn's my favorite. And then this one. It's like popsicle that got bitten out of, I guess. This one's a fast rising one. Go like this. And nacho. We have nachos here. Cute little nachos. And of course, you gotta have a corn dog in the movies. And of course, yeah, always gotta have a drink. Alright, let's move on to turtle with the hot dog on its head. It's a slow rise. I really like this one for some reason. It's like, smells like just like popcorn. It's amazing. And there you have it, guys. My first video. I hope you guys liked it. Because if you liked this vid and want me to do more videos like this one, comment down below, subscribe. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the like. By the way, this is only $21 at Walmart. It's more expensive online. I love you.